Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Yelp for business reviews, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Yelp for Business website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the account setup. Fill in the required business information, such as your business name and address. Once your details are entered, click Continue. Next, choose the appropriate business category that best describes your services. You'll then be prompted to verify your business ownership. Follow the verification steps provided, which may include receiving a phone call or verification email. After verification, log into your Yelp for Business account. On your dashboard, locate the Reviews section. Here, you can view all customer reviews and respond to them. To encourage reviews, share your Yelp link with customers. Consider placing Yelp stickers in your physical location to promote your presence. Engage with your customers by responding to both positive and negative reviews. Regularly check your Yelp dashboard for new reviews and insights. Use the feedback to improve your business offerings and customer service. Take advantage of Yelp's features like adding photos and special offers to attract more customers. Incorporate your Yelp link in your email signature and other marketing materials. Monitor your business's performance on Yelp and adjust your strategies based on customer feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.